This video is short and to the point, featuring Chef Beth herself. Well, what's not in the video? Remember to sanitize your jars, your lids, and your rings. The tomatoes are acidic, but we add lemon juice anyway. And this was water bathing style, but if you're over 1,000 feet, do your research. Don't forget to listen for the pop. If it doesn't pop, it's not sealed. If that happens, go ahead and use it. Ask questions below, we will answer. And what's next? We're probably going to talk about freezing them after you blanch. You can just freeze them. We haven't made a video on that yet, but it's not that complicated. So we'll put something up here. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.